Looking for the best B850 motherboard but not sure which one actually deserves your money? Today we're ranking 5 popular options from weakest to absolute best so you can pick the perfect one for your build. Kicking off our list in 5th place is the Gigabyte B850 Eagle Wi-Fi 6E. This is the entry-level option in today's lineup, and it's clearly designed for builders who want modern platform support without spending extra on premium networking or advanced features. You still get the essentials here. There's a full PCIe 5 slot for your graphics card, and even a PCIe 5 slot for one of your solid-state drives. That means you're not missing out on next-gen speeds where it matters most. 3 M2 slots give you solid storage flexibility, and Wi-Fi 6E keeps your wireless connection fast and stable for everyday gaming and streaming. But compared to the other boards on this list, this one falls behind in networking. It only includes standard Gigabit Ethernet, while the others step up to faster 2.5 gig or even 5 gig connections. If you're building a high-speed home network, that difference can matter. It also feels more basic overall in terms of premium touches and expandability. This board makes sense for budget-conscious builders who still want PCIe 5 support and a modern AM5 platform. If you're not worried about ultra-fast wired networking, it gets the job done. And by the way, you'll find links to all the motherboards in this review at the best prices in the description under the video. In 4th place, we have the Asus Prime B850 Plus Wi-Fi. This one feels like a clear step up from the previous board, especially when it comes to networking and overall balance. The big improvement here is the 2.5 gig Ethernet. That alone makes it more feature ready for faster home networks. You still get PCIe 5 for your graphics card and for one of your M2 drives, plus support for high-speed DDR5 memory. Asus also does a great job with clear documentation and layout, which makes planning your build much easier if you're not an expert. However, it still offers 3 M2 slots, not 4 like some higher ranked boards. And while Wi-Fi 6E is fast, it's not the newest wireless standard available in this lineup, so it's solid, reliable, and well-rounded, but not the most advanced option here. If you want something dependable with faster wired networking than the Eagle, this is a smart choice. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews. Now we're getting into the top 3, and in 3rd place is the ASRock B850 Pro RS Wi-Fi. This board stands out immediately because of one key thing: storage expansion. You get 4 M2 slots here, which is more than most of the competition in this roundup. That means more room for high-speed drives without using add-in cards. It also includes a PCIe 5 slot for your graphics card and a 2.5 gig Ethernet port, so networking is strong and up to modern standards. The power design is also more robust compared to entry-level boards, making it a better fit for higher-end Ryzen processors. Where it doesn't quite reach the top is wireless technology. It sticks with Wi-Fi 6E rather than moving up to Wi-Fi 7 like the boards above it. For most people, Wi-Fi 6E is more than fast enough, but if you want the absolute latest wireless standard, you'll find that higher up the list. This board is ideal for users who want maximum storage flexibility and solid power delivery without paying for the newest wireless tech. And now, let's move into even more premium territory. In 2nd place, we have the Gigabyte B850 Aorus Elite Wi-Fi 7. This is where things start to feel noticeably more high-end. The major upgrade here is Wi-Fi 7. That's the newest wireless standard in this lineup, offering better speeds and improved efficiency in compatible networks. On top of that, you get 2.5 gig Ethernet and a stronger 14+2+2 power design, which gives this board more confidence when paired with higher performance Ryzen processors. It's clearly positioned as a premium mid-range option. Compared to the ASRock board, you do drop from 4 M2 slots to 3. So if raw storage expansion is your top priority, the ASRock still has the edge. But if networking and overall platform polish matter more, this one pulls ahead. This board is perfect for gamers and power users who want modern connectivity, strong power delivery, and a more premium feel without stepping into ultra-expensive territory. But there's still one board left that takes the crown. And in 1st place, the best overall in this lineup is the MSI B850 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi V1. What pushes this board to the top is its networking combination. You get Wi-Fi 7 and, more importantly, 5 gig Ethernet. None of the other boards here offer faster wired networking. If you're running a high-speed local network, transferring large files, or just want maximum future-proofing, that's a serious advantage. It still gives you PCIe 5 support for both graphics and storage, plus 3 M2 slots for solid expansion. While one of those storage slots runs at a slightly lower bandwidth compared to the main one, the overall balance of features makes this board the strongest all-around performer in this group. This is the one I'd recommend if you want the most advanced connectivity and a well-rounded feature set without stepping into a completely different chipset tier. For most builders looking for a powerful and future-ready B850 board, this is the sweet spot. If you're serious about building a Ryzen system, check out the top picks using the links in the description under the video. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our next deep dive into the best tech for your setup.